Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to list all configured OpenClaw models. Method 1. Just run this command OpenClaw models list. See here you can see list of models configured. You can see I have configured 4 models: OpenAI GPT 4.1, Nano, GPT 4o, Mini, GPT 4.0 Nano, then the Google Gemini 3 Pro Preview. So we can also run this command OpenClaw models status, and here you can see this is a default primary model. Here you can see the tag default, that means this is the default primary model, and all other models you can see the tag fallback. These are fallback models. See the output of OpenClaw model status, and here you can see the location of config file, then the fallback models, and this is the default model, and here you can see all configured models, 4 models, and this is the method 1. So let me go to method 2. Method 2. Open this config file .openclaw/openclaw.json. We can open this configuration file in Vim editor or Nano editor. Let me open in Vim editor, then search for model, and here you can see one model section, then another model section. In this model section you would be able to see the primary model. This is a primary model, and these are the 3 fallback models configured. If primary model is not reachable or not working, then it will automatically try all these models in sequence. And if you go down, you can see model section, and here under this model section you can see all models configured in this OpenClaw setup. So we can directly edit this file. We can add or delete models, then just restart OpenClaw gateway service. The command is OpenClaw gateway restart. That way we can restart OpenClaw gateway and save the changes. These are the 2 ways to list all configured OpenClaw models. So one is via commands, the second one is just open this configuration file. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.